Yo, what's up, y'all? C Tech, and remember when I showed you the video on how you can get a Google Home Mini for $1? I mean, I told y'all it was legit. Have I ever lied to y'all? Oh yeah, and check this out. I got another Google Home Mini here too. So yeah, they definitely hooked me up. I still got 3 more coming though. So that's not all. It even came in this kind of interesting box. Like it says, "Hi there, Google Store," and inside it says, "Let's play." Alright then, Google. But let's go ahead and check this thing out real quick. So we got Google Home Mini on the front, the Google logo, and the Google Home Mini right there. On the right side, we got what it's compatible with. On the back, we got Small and Mighty. You can pause that for yourself if you want. So go ahead and read that there, but let's look on the left side here so you can see what you can say to Google here. On the bottom, we don't really got anything. On the top, we don't got anything. So it's just giving us a signal to open it already. Like, come on, Latrell, I just want to be opened already. I want to replace Alexa already, because I know y'all got Alexa all over your house. So I'm sorry, Alexa, but your time's up. I got too many, I don't get that from you. So it's just, I'm not feeling you no more. If Google works way better than you, then man, we got something coming. But let's go ahead and gently get into this real quick. There we go. Take off this plastic wrapping here over by the mic. It's just not satisfying, no. And we got this easy pull tab here. I mean, y'all could have just done that from the beginning, but whatever. So we go ahead and open it this way, and man. There's our Google Home Mini. But why this Google? Why? Y'all had to do the most, didn't you? With these just weird colors. Like, come on now, just can you be normal for once? I mean, look at this compared to this. Let's compare these real quick. Like, this is a little bit bigger, but like, I mean, at least Alexa's doing like normal colors instead of Google over here, which is just random color here. I mean, you're not gonna look at it, but still. But you got your Google logo here at the bottom with your FCC and all that, and the button, I assume this is the reset button here. This is where you're gonna get your lights and all that, and where you turn up your volume. And let's look over here real quick. So we got micro USB for some reason. What? Look, you see what I'm talking about? Every time I'm doing the video, the house phone rings. But you got a microphone switch here if you don't want Google to listen to you, because we know how people feel about Google listening to people. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and compare these real quick. Now, when you turn this thing on, then the controls are going to show up here. But Alexa just got like physical buttons here. You got your volume up, volume down, mute button, and Alexa button if you don't want to just say Alexa. Got your Amazon logo on the back. You got some ports here. You got your micro USB port again, but you got an aux port right here. The Google Home Mini doesn't have that. It just has Bluetooth, which kind of sucks. I mean, I have a Bluetooth soundbar, but still. In my basement, I actually have surround sound with an audio receiver, but it doesn't have Bluetooth, so I had to figure that out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the comparison, and let's go ahead and get to the box real quick. So we just go ahead and take this off somehow. Okay, there we go. So it says, let's get started here, and I already have a Chromecast here, so I'm wondering how that's going to work out together. But this is the charger here, and it's kind of weird just by this right here. So that's how you plug in your thing. And of course, there got to be a Google logo on it. And that's pretty much it for the box, I think. Let me try to get to this more. I think that's it, though. Yeah, that's it. So, guys, that's all I'm doing right now. Just an unboxing. I'll do, like, a first impressions and all that, maybe. I don't know. But that's all I'm doing, guys. So, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.